belief that at some point that light shines on you, each and every one of you in here. There's no pressure because you're prepared. Talk about it all the time about Muhammad Ali, right? I'm gonna show you how great I am. He's saying that in a moment when everybody else is picking someone else. But he has that inner belief. He believes in himself. At some point in time, that light shines on me. And when it does, I don't feel pressure. I am prepared to make the most of it. Now, the difference is this. Eventually, you get to that top. When eventually you get there, and the guy in the other locker room is saying the same thing. That it's his turn now. It's his turn now. But he doesn't believe it. He doesn't believe it like you believe it. That's the difference.
Yeah!
Great job. Great job, Brian Beginning. Great job, Brian Beginning.
Good job! Nice job, Eli!
Right.
Nice, Eli!